Lord Shiva narrated the Ramayana to Ma Parvati on Mount Kailash, while Kakabhushundi, the immortal crow, secretly listened, ensuring the story would echo through eternity. 1st century CE Ramopakhyana. Sage Vyasa dictated the Mahabharata while Ganeshaji wrote with his broken tusk. This epic also contains Ramopakhyana, the story of Rama. 2nd century BCE Valmiki Ramayana. Sage Narada inspired Sri Valmiki, revealing the story of Sri Ram. This divine moment led to the first written Ramayana, shaping history. 4th century, Jain Ramayana. In Jain Ramayana, Rama follows non-violence, ahimsa, never killing Ravana. Instead, Lakshmana does it, and Rama attains moksha. A surprising twist. 6th century Dashratha Jataka. The Buddhist Dashratha Jataka depicts Rama and Sita as siblings. Rama embodies non-attachment and dharma, teaching impermanence. 12th century, Kamban's Ramayana. In Kamba Ramayanam, Sita is seen as goddess Lakshmi's incarnation, representing the perfect wife and ideal woman, setting an example of grace and strength for all women. 13th century, Adhyatma Ramayana. In Adhyatma Ramayana, Agni replaces Sita with Maya Sita before Ravana kidnaps her. After Ravana's defeat, Maya Sita vanishes in fire, and the real Sita reappears unharmed. 14th century Adbhut Ramayana. The Adbhuta Ramayana portray Sita as the daughter of Ravana and Mandodari, abandoned at birth and later discovered by King Janaka while ploughing his fields. 15th century, Krittivasa's Ramayana. Before battling Ravana, Rama performs Akal Bodhan, invoking goddess Durga's blessings. This ritual in Krittivasi Ramayana links Ramayana with Bengal's grand Durga Puja tradition. 15th century, Uyadandi Ramayana. In Uyadandi Ramayana, Sri Ram is believed to be an incarnation of Lord Jagannath, while Sita is considered a form of goddess Lakshmi. 15th century, Ananda Ramayana. In Ananda Ramayana, Ravana abducts Kaushalya before her marriage, trying to prevent his death. But fate prevails, and she later gives birth to Rama, his destined destroyer. 16th century, Tulsidas' Ramcharitmanas. Tulsidas ji composed the Ramcharitmanas as an act one of pure devotion to Sri Ram, transforming the epic into a heartfelt bhakti scripture for all.
17th century, Gobind Ramayan. Sikh Guru Gobind Singh Ji, composed the Dasam Granth, which includes 24 avatar of Lord Vishnu, where the story of Sri Ram is discussed most extensively in this Sikh scripture. 1947 movies on Ramayan. From Lanka Dahan, 1917, Sati Sulochna, 1921, and Ram Rajya, 1943, early films on Ramayan brought the epic to life, evolving with cinema's progress. 1987 Ramanand Sagar's Ramayan. When Ramanand Sagar's Ramayan aired on TV in 1987, the entire country would gather at home to watch the iconic serial together. 1991 Yugo Sako and Ram Mohan Anime Ramayan. In 1991, Japanese film director Yugo Sako, in collaboration with Indian animator Ram Mohan, created India's first anime Ramayan, which was loved by the young generation. Ramayan. For daily life. New series. In our new series, we are sharing the serialized story of the oldest and most authentic Sri Valmiki Ramayan, along with valuable lessons for daily life.